You are watching Radicon. Now that we are aware of natural radiation sources, it is important to know the variables such as land, geographies, and altitude. Few of the most abundant radioactive elements are thorium, bismuth, uranium, radium, radon, and K40. In top 1 meter of 0.1 acre of a garden, total potassium can be around 1200 kilograms, out of which 1.28 kilogram will be radioactive K40, approximately 3.6 kilograms of thorium, and 1 kilogram plus of uranium. These contribute to approximately 1 to 3 millisievert radiation dose per year in majority of the population worldwide. In the areas of high background radiation activity, it can be ranging from 3 to 13 millisieverts. Although the dose of 1 to 3 millisieverts per year is true for many parts of the world, the wide variation in the composition of Earth's crust around the globe is responsible for wider ranges. You can see a beautiful shot of a hotel in an Iranian town called Ramsar, which is a popular resort famous for its scenery and hot springs. Looking around the beautiful town surroundings, it is hard to tell that Ramsar's Talesh Mahale district is the most radioactive inhabited area across the Earth. Record high dose radiation levels are predominantly due to radon and radium, along with the decay products. These are brought to Earth's surface by hot springs. Groundwater is heated by subsurface geological activity and then passes through relatively young igneous rocks, dissolving radium. While reaching the surface, dissolved calcium carbonate is precipitated as limestone, with radium substituting the calcium in the minerals. Another radioactive material, thorium, is also quite abundant. Radioactive soil is part of radioactive building material, and overall result is very high indoor and outdoor radiation levels. Let's visit Aberdeen, the Silver City in Scotland. Founded on radium-rich rock and subsurface radon reserves, it is often called a radioactive city. Luckily, without the fissures in that rock for radon to escape, the dangerous gas remains trapped and harmless. However, abundant cracks in the bedrock are seen few miles north of the city, and significant work might need to go into ground floor ventilation for any accommodation in high radon zones. Radon gas is second biggest contributor to lung cancer, and its effects are enhanced by another leading cause, smoking. A large number of city buildings in Aberdeen are made of granite, such as the one shown in picture. These are famous Aberdonian buildings. Granite, like any other stone, contains veins of naturally occurring radioactive elements such as uranium, thorium, and their radioactive decay products. These radioactive elements can emit small amounts of beta and gamma radiation, resulting in high background radiation doses in Aberdeen.
This video is presented in collaboration with Radicon Institute of Radiology. You are welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for updates. For more modules in Radiology CMEs, please visit our website www.radicon.org.